Okay, we'll finish eating your banana. All right, who's ready to open up Uncle Pete's package?
Me.
Okay, let's see what's in it. Look at this. Man, this is really exciting. What's inside?
I don't know.
What could it be? I'm sure whatever it is, you guys don't deserve it if it's something nice. Oh, stab it. That's it. I don't think you should stab it. I think it'll be bedtime before we finish opening it. This is exciting. This is a serious wrapping job. Look at all that paper. Just try not to damage anything. If you guys damage anything inside, then we're not gonna show this to Uncle Pete. Or I'll edit that part out. I'll say it was damaged in the mail. Eric, what do you think's inside?
I don't know. We gotta see your
Oli,
De Oli az nagyon...
Oliver, what do you think's inside?
I don't know.
Aniko?
I have no idea.
Me neither. Me neither.
No.
I think you guys just like opening. Who doesn't like opening presents? Okay,
What could be?
finally got it open. Look, it looks like some rodent
1 hour
was
later.
gnawing on it here. Okay, 1 hour later. What's inside? What is that? Oh, pineapple. Ooh, spices. Wow, look at that. Oh, some plastic. This is, I think, everyone's favorite part.
Wow,
Cool.
look at that.
Let's see, Arabian spices. Excellent.
What is that?
Oh my gosh, this is full of stuff. My goodness. What does it say?
Caramel.
Maui Caramax. Oh, excellent. Awesome. I think this stuff is meant to be eaten.
Yeah, this is...
There's a pen.
Oh,
Nice.
look at this.
What is it? What does it say?
It's like a cute little
Tiki
statue.
collection. Excellent.
Oh, it's so
wow.
cute.
Oh, wow.
at that
Oh,
pen.
this is excellent. Wow. Look at all this stuff. Pineapple. Do you think this is edible?
Yeah, I think so.
Dehydrated. Yeah. That just means no water. Hey, cool. This is, wow. This is amazing.
What's that? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, wow.
What's in here?
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, it's just like a makeup
Such a nice
bag.
smell.
Yeah,
That's
it's
makeup bags for me.
spicy. Yeah, that's what you... What's that?
It's lipstick for you, Oliver.
Oh, I'm kidding.
This is incredible. My goodness. This is
Look,
totally...
it's a panda. This is
totally
like
full.
too much. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Oh.
Excellent.
I had the jackpot. Yummy.
Hey, another tiki. Or is this the same one? A different one. Wow, there's more than
I
one.
think we put it back.
Oh, jelly bean.
Look at this.
What's that?
I don't know, bath salts maybe?
Jelly bean. Jelly bean. Jelly bean.
Has a nice smell.
Oh, yum.
It's in French.
What?
Look at my French dictionary
Oh
there.
la la.
This is incredible. Shortbread cookies. Oh my goodness, and a card. Aw,
Coffee bean.
thank you.
This is
I just like the smell.
Yes.
I think
So good.
everything that we
Spicy.
open should have this smell. Oh! Oh, no way.
Oh, this we got to.
No way. Wow.
What's this?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
No, yeah, put it in there.
That is so cool. Actually,
Where did
this
you
is
get
true. I
this?
was thinking of buying one like this.
Keyboard type.
Like a BitBoy. Wow. Now I don't have to get it.
Oh
Well,
my
thanks,
god. This is like
Yeah.
all my birthday and Christmas presents
Yeah.
together
Yeah,
in one
no
box.
kidding. Earplugs.
What?
Oh yeah, I'll need this
me.
because there's a mosquito.
Earplugs. You put them in your ear
Max, ooh.
so we can't hear you crying.
What's this lollipop?
Well, guys,
Can I unbox that? This. You want to
Wow.
Mrs. Game
Yeah. Yeah. Well, guys, everybody, I think we should say a big thank you to Uncle Pete and his and
A huge thank you. Bigger than this box.
Thank you, Uncle Pete.
Thank you so
These are
much.
very cool.
yeah.
Very thanks.
He's right.
Thanks so much, Uncle Pete.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
That's
And
great.
and Tammy. Tammy's his girlfriend. Cool.
Yes.
I think we're gonna spend a lot of time going through this.
Oh yeah.
So this is really cool. Thanks so much again. All right, we'll send this off to you then.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. This is